How to make collaborative playlist on Spotify. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make collaborative playlist on Spotify. To create a collaborative playlist on Spotify, you will need to follow these steps. Open your Spotify application on your mobile device first and then log into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this page. Now here you will need to go to your library section. For that, at the bottom, you will need to tap on this Your Library icon between the search and the premium icon. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to your library section. In this page here at the top right, you will be able to see the plus icon. Tap on this plus icon and then at the bottom you will be able to see these options. Tap on this playlist and here name your playlist. Once you have given the name to your playlist, you can tap on this create button right here to create it. Now after creating, you will land on this page. Here you will need to either tap on this human icon or you may also tap on this three dot icon next to it, and from this menu at the bottom, tap on this invite collaborators option. Once you tap on it, you will be presented with this page. Here you will be able to see this page. At the bottom you will be able to see copy link option. You can simply tap on this copy link. A link will be copied to your clipboard, or you may also share it directly through the messaging application presented at the bottom. You can share this link to invite friends to collaborate with you, and once they accept it, they will be able to add, remove or rearrange songs in the collaborative playlist. Also note that the links for inviting collaborators expire after 7 days. So you'll need to make sure the link doesn't expire until your friends accept your invitation. So by following these steps, you should be able to make collaborative playlist on Spotify. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.